Yo, what's up, my people? How y'all doing? Devin Baptiste here, owner, CEO, Chief Executive Operating Captain of Black Diamond FX. I'd like y'all to welcome to my channel. I just want to tell y'all a little bit about, myself, about Black Diamond. I started Black Diamond. Matter of fact, I started Black Diamond, it was a few months ago, okay? I started Forex trading like last March. I'm gonna give y'all a little background. I started Forex trading around last March sometime. I got in. A few people had already asked me about it, and at first I was kind of hesitant about even joining, okay, even doing it, because I'm like, man, I don't know nothing about Forex, Just like, man, you trading currencies, this and that, yada yada yada. So I started looking into it, and I'm like, it looks kind of interesting. So more and more people started to ask me about it. So I'm like, man, maybe I need to look into it. So then when people, real close to me started asking about it, I'm like, man, maybe it's time for me to join. So that's what I did. I looked it up, saw how to join. I started with like $100 in my account. Didn't know what I was doing, man. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm telling y'all, it was crazy. I didn't know nothing. And I was getting lucky. I was winning like 50% of my trades, you know what I'm saying? I'm like dang, But I knew it was more to it than just, should I buy, should I sell, should I do this, should I do that? I knew it was more to it than that. So I know I had to get in depth and study and start learning. So I hit YouTube up. I joined this program. I joined this program called iMarkets Live. All right, and at first, I was like, man, I don't know what to do. All the information was just kind of overwhelming to me. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know nothing. So I hung in there for a little while. There was this group with these people from Atlanta that was supposed to be helping us, and things kind of went sour. So I was like, man, you know what? I'm gonna figure this out. So I hit YouTube hard, started learning. Met Jay Wayne. I started learning from Jay Wayne, and I learned a lot. That's when my trading really started to turn around. Once I started learning from Jay Wayne, I enrolled in his Team Take Profits class, and I learned a lot. I mean, a lot. Thank you, Jay. From there, I was like, I kind of had some bills, you know what I'm saying? I got bills. I gotta pay some bills. So I got out of Jay Wayne's training classes for a while. I said, well, I'm gonna stay in iMarkets Live because they got all these educators, all these basics. I can learn something. So that's what I did. And a friend of mine named Kendall, he told me about a guy named Orrin Wright. So I was like, yeah, I had heard of him through the IML TV. If you're familiar with iMarkets Live, then IML TV is the that's where you go to get to learn. You know what I'm saying? IML TV is awesome. Let me say this before I continue, because I've been watching a lot of videos out there with people bashing iMarkets Live. It's not iMarkets Live. It's these Fugazi groups that y'all join in, these Fugazi teams with these horrible team leaders that y'all have that only focus on recruiting. All right, you join iMarkets Live. If you want to make money, your focus should be on learning to trade. Learn to trade, and guess what? You're not gonna have to recruit nobody. They gonna come to you. I promise you that. So all y'all out there making these videos talking about iMarkets Live is a scam and this and that, yada yada yada, man, y'all need to cut that noise out right now. You know what I'm saying? Don't blame iMarkets Live, blame your team. It was the team that you were on. It was the team leader, the group leader, or whatever. Go on iMarkets Live, learn, stop relying on these people to give you signals. You become your own signal. All right, that's what it's there for. It's there for you to learn. All right, that's what y'all do. Because I'm tired of seeing these people online on YouTube bashing this company, and I'm like, that has not been my experience with iMarkets Live, and a lot of other people I know, You know, they're learning, they're growing. People are quitting their jobs and trading full time through Iron Markets Live education, through what they learn from there. All right, so y'all cut that out, man. It's time to take responsibility for your actions. If you're not learning from your group, then find another route. You know what I'm saying? But Iron Markets Live has free educators that you don't even have to pay for. You know what I'm saying? You're already paying for it with your Iron Markets Live membership. All right. So rant over. I just had to get that off my chest. All right. But I didn't find. My friend Kendall, he told me about, excuse me, throat dry. See, y'all got me ranting and now my throat dry. But my friend Kendall, he told me about this educator named Orion Wright, and that's who I started following. And man, I'm gonna tell y'all, man, it's been awesome. Like my trading already had turned around just from excuse me, throat dry. I need some water. But my trading had already turned around just from learning from Jay Wayne, you know, Jay Take Profits, shout out. But once I hooked up with Orion, oh my God, I'm telling y'all, beast mode. When I say beast mode, straight up beast mode. Hi everybody, so I'm back. Yeah, I don't know what that was about, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I think it is? They have this like timer or something, and I think it might have something to do with like their performance and this and that. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I started learning from Orion Wright, man, and he teaches these strategies. I'm talking about, when I tell you he breaks it down, he breaks it all the way down. Like, you could be a beginner, and the reason I know his stuff is effective is because, all right, you know, I trade and I also teach, you know, and Orion always tells us, take what he teaches us, make it our own, and teach other people. So that's what I've been doing. Taking what he teaches, make it our own, make it my own, and teach other people. And you know, I have like a little group, and we've been meeting at the coffee shops every so often. Well, I've been showing this, I've been teaching this young lady how to trade. Actually it's a couple of young ladies and a few young men also. You know, I've been teaching them how to trade. Very first night, one of the young ladies got in her demo and made profit in her demo using the strategies I teach. So that's how I can guarantee you, that's how I can tell you his strategies are simple and effective. All right, simple and effective, man. And even one of the young men, you know, we sit down and I show them the strategy, explain it to them a few times if they have any questions, and then before we leave, you know, I say, all right, I want everybody to call out a trade setup. And, you know, they look it up, they find the setup, I look over it. If it's, you know, any issues with it, I let them know. Show them where they went wrong, show them what's right, you know, and we go on from there. Excuse me. Whew. And that helps build up their confidence also. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Once again, I thank you all for listening. I would like if you all would share the video, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, definitely. If you want to join my team, I will leave the link down below in the description. And it was good seeing you all. Hope to see y'all on more videos in the future, all right? Devin Baptiste, Black Diamond FX. Holla at your boy. Let's get going. One team, one dream. That's how we roll. One team, one dream. Thank y'all.